Back at John's, looking for the trim that goes here on a Dodge. Found some good scores though, especially this rear window trim. And this 4-speed console, which this is going to come in handy. Comes time to cut that one out. Fortunately, she's chewy. All right, here's the story. I got to get on an airplane and go home, and I'd like to take this through TSA. So I bought this crap at Walmart, 10 bucks. There's the that. It's too damn bad I didn't know that was down there earlier. I suspect we'll be fixing that at a future date. We're in a shop truck, so let me wind this up and see what they say. I'm going to leave the center section clear so they can see exactly what the hell I got. All right, there it is. You know, I mean, all they could say is no, and I have no problem with taking it back to the car, truck, whatever. It's not like they can kill me for asking, right? That's my philosophy on things. Can't kill me for asking. All right, let's see how this works out. Well, they let me bring it home. I mean, I don't know why they wouldn't, but you just don't know. Anyway, yeah, TSA let me bring it on the airplane. And everybody's like, what is that? Trim for your car? I'm like, well, yeah. Well, see you in the spring, trim.